we got the new idea, we got the new technical from the exhibition, and we got the new thinking from our client what they need. I'm Amy from Vigoroustar. We are the manufacturer from China. Our factory is located in China Kitchen hometown. Okay, welcome all the customers who see me and interested in our products and come to see our profile.
So, Autoex is considered one of Asia's leading hospitality expo. What key trends are shaping the industry in 2026?
For us, yes, it is the leading of Asia for sure. I think it can compare with the host in Milano. We went to Milano and we already visited Milano and we can compare. And every year with the exhibition for Autoex, it's helped us a lot. We meet the customer here. The customer can come to check our product details, see our quality stand, help us a lot to build the trust with our customer. Yeah.
With over 1,000 of exhibitor and global buyers, how does this platform facilitate international business cooperation?
For the cooperation, for us, I think it's kind of like the first question is connect. I think it's not separate. Every year here, we come not only to introduce our product to the customer, show our product quality. Also, we go around in this exhibition to see the product which we need to update to follow the customer's needs. So it's helped us a lot. Then we can meet customers what they need. Yeah, with this, it's helped a lot.
Looking at the exhibition today, did you see something that you think it's a trend?
For us, yes, because we have one machine, kind of like the dishwasher behind me. We are not that strong for this product. But we went to another, they are professional for the dishwasher. They check, we take the video, we share the information. Yes, we are challenged in front of the client, but still, we shared some information, not for technical part, and to know what the customer need. And then we check their product, we try to improve after we go back to our factory.
And how was the event evolved over the years to meet the changing demands of the hospitality and food service industry?
Honestly speaking, every year we got the new idea, we got the new technical from the exhibition, and we got the new thinking from our client what they need. After we go back, we try to develop and try to improve our products to meet the client's needs. This is really a good exhibition to help the manufacturer actually. It's really big help.